You thought the largest pyramid in the world was in Egypt. Wrong. That image in your head. 3. Pyramids of Giza. The Pyramid of Khufu is 147 meters high. Is 4,000 years of history a record? No. The real answer is 100 times crazier than you think. There is a pyramid that is 220 meters high, half as tall as the Pyramid of Khufu. The side of his base is long. It's twice as long as the Pyramid of Khufu. The concrete that was poured over him, stronger than modern building materials. His underground tunnels are over 10 kilometers long. And the age of his construction, probably a whole 10,000 years before the Egyptian pyramids. This is the Pyramid of the Sun in Bosnia, a small town located in the Balkans of Europe. In 2005, an amateur archaeologists have dropped one on the world. Bombshell. So, he said, hidden in the valley is the oldest place on Earth. The largest and most mysterious pyramid complex. The Pyramid of the Sun in Bosnia is 220 meters high. In comparison, the Pyramid of Khufu in Giza is only 147 meters away. Appear small. And not only that, Moon Pyramid, Dragon Pyramid, the Pyramid of Love, and the Temple of Earth. 5 giant structures line the valley. Form a complete pyramid group. When you travel back in time to that forgotten prehistoric era, you don't see the tomb of the pharaoh. It's a giant stepped building that goes straight into the sky. The surface is covered with high-strength concrete. The 4 sides are precisely aligned with the southeast and north. The error is less than 0.01 degrees. And under him, extending the world's most complex prehistory tunnel network, the top of the tunnel is part of the masonry. The height reaches 2.5 meters. It's littered with tons of ceramic sculptures, mysterious boulders, and a blue underground lake. Archaeology took 20 years. Said it was a cruel scam. But they haven't been able to explain the central problem. If this is not a pyramid, so what are these bizarre phenomena? It's what the world's archaeologists call pseudo-archaeology, but more accurately, the most embarrassing page in modern archaeology. October 26, 2005, a daily newspaper in Bosnia published an article. It was quickly reprinted globally by the BBC. And the protagonist of this story is Semir. One was born in Bosnia. An entrepreneur who has lived in Houston for many years. And explorers. He claims to be north of 30 kilometers of the Nezoko Valley. The first pyramid in Europe was discovered. He's not a professional archaeologist, but he took the world's breath away. These pyramids, it is composed of a highly developed history. Built by priests, could be 12,000 to 30,000 years ago. Its technology even surpasses modern architecture. As soon as the news comes out, the archaeological community fried the pot. In 2006, Europe archaeologist, the association sent a letter to the Bosnian government. Open letter. Put this whole project together. Called a cruel hoax against an ignorant public. It has no place in modern archaeology. Mainstream geologists claim wretched Zika Mountain is nothing more than the natural landforms of Ping, the product of millions of years of geological movement. They also pointed out that there is indeed a medieval castle on the mountain, and some Roman ruins. Osmana's extreme are destroying these authentic historical sites. However, the voices within science are not monolithic. May 2025. An academic journal published a multidisciplinary evaluation paper. The author is the Osmana machine itself. The paper claims that high-resolution measurement displays the northern slope of the pyramid, the Canary, faces true. The deviation is only 0 degrees, 0 minutes, and 12 seconds. And other ancient pyramids around the world. The orientation accuracy of the structure is exactly this discovery. Many people have too. Retrial. See the pyramid that the mainstream sentenced to death. Suppose the most terrifying thing to think about is If the pyramids of Bosnia, it really is natural. How do you explain this evidence? Mystery 1. His exact geometric orientation. The four slopes of the Pyramid of the Sun. It's not randomly tilted. It's at a regular angle of about 45 degrees, perfectly pointing to four basic directions: southeast, northwest. The 2025 study. It uses LiDAR and precision mapping. Confirmed this geometric accuracy already exceeded out of the category that ordinary slopes can form naturally. The ground is covered with artificial concrete. Osmana extremely claims the surface of the pyramid is covered with an artificial manufactured sandstone and granular concrete block. Lab tests revealed the compressive strength of these materials exceeds modern concrete. If this is true, that means 10,000 years ago, gripped the concrete formula. This technology is used elsewhere on Earth. It didn't appear until ancient Rome. Electromagnetic signals are emitted inside the three pyramids. Multiple research teams are located at the center of the pyramid. Measured a stream of energy, about 4 meters in diameter, sent out frequencies in the 28 to 30 kilohertz range. Unexplained electromagnetic signals. Physicist Slobodan Mitz. Dr. Drake and others confirmed this phenomenon. But scientists have yet to explain why. There's a giant network of tunnels under Mystery 4. At the bottom of the pyramid, excavated, a total of several kilometers of prehistoric underground tunnels. The tunnel structure is complex. Some of the tunnel ceilings are man-made. Huge ceramic sculptures were found inside, and a blue underground lake. Supporters argue that this is a sophisticated underground resonance system. It works with the above-ground portion of the pyramid. The archaeological community. What is the objection? They say these tunnels are medieval mines. Those man-made concrete. It's a naturally occurring rock boundary. And good energy is just a normal fluctuation of the geomagnetic field. But here's the thing. Geologists can explain individual phenomena, but it cannot be explained as a whole. Why are all these anomalies concentrated? Appear in the same place, just like a stone can be formed naturally. But you can't explain it by coincidence. All the stones of a temple are just right. Okay, cut into squares and move together. To really understand the weirdness of the pyramids of Bosnia, you must understand every detail of him. Conventional design. Let's start with scale. The base of the Pyramid of the Sun is about 220 meters long on each side. The side length of the Pyramid of Khufu is about 230 meters. Both are about the same length, but the height of the Pyramid of the Sun in Bosnia is 220 meters. It is 1.5 times the 147 meters of the Pyramid of Khufu, enough to make it the largest pyramid in the world. Looking at his material mystery, twice in 2006 and 2011. The probing year, test and soil analysis showed that pyramid. The sandstone blocks on the surface are topped with a layer. Over 10,000 years of soil. Geologists first claimed that these stones were natural. Pingdingshan, sand, and gravel. But a scan of esports analysis found that these stones contain adhesives. It's done manually. Prehistoric concrete, mixed, and poured into shape. This man-made building material, more natural than the Egyptians. The stone method is much more technologically advanced. Look at his electromagnetic signal. Multiple independent teams work in the pyramid, top and center position. A directional energy wave has been measured. Its frequency is around 28 kilohertz. Has exceptional strength and continuity. Much higher than normal background electromagnetic radiation, and it occurs during astronomical events, such as the incense of the moon. Regular fluctuations. Osmana and others argue that this proves the pyramid is an ancient energy amplifier. It converges the Earth's natural electromagnetic field. And even worse, physicists point out that this frequency of 28 to 30 kilohertz just happened to be with Nikola. The Earth's standing waves, predicted by Tesla's theory 100 years match. If this hypothesis holds true, that means Bosnia, the pyramids, could be one. Unlimited energy transmission in prehistory. The core node of the network. Looking at his underground labyrinth. The 6th month of excavation work in 2005. Team. The entrance to the underground tunnel was discovered for the first time. Subsequent years, a vast underground tunnel system gradually emerged. The total length is over 10 kilometers, connecting the pyramid cluster to the surrounding area. There are not only artificial masonry walls inside the tunnel, boulders were also found, ceramicware, and an underground water source called the Blue Lake. Intellectuals think of it as a kind of further education resonance system. Water vibrates as it flows through an underground tunnel. The vibrations travel through the tunnel and amplify, eventually converging through the structure of the pyramid. The amount of energy that can be detected at the surface. Now, this theory sounds far-fetched. But here's what's interesting. Underground of the SA Plateau in Egypt, we found a similar network of tunnels. When two parallel pieces of evidence are put together, the coincidence hypothesis becomes increasingly untenable. And look at the astronomical connections. A 2025 study found that the layout of the Bosnian pyramids, exact correspondence to the Cephalus cluster. The internal wolf tunnel structure also follows Fibonacci, spiral, and golden ratio. This means that builders hold profound knowledge of mathematics and astronomy. These are by no means a group of primates with stone hammers. Beginners can do it. These bizarre combinations of features create a what? A scale first in the world. The construction technology is way ahead of its time. The world's most complex underground tunnel system. There is still a steady stream of mysterious electricity emitted magnetic signal, super complex. If he exists, human history will be rewritten. If he is fake. So, what is the unexplained evidence? And this is precisely the most hanging pyramid in Bosnia, track place. Whether you believe him or reject him, you can't avoid him. Over the past 20 years, so far from being debunked by mainstream academia, instead, it attracts thousands of tourists every year. Volunteers and researchers flocked to the town of Vizda. So, here's the problem. If this is all a scam, why 20 years? The truth has not yet exposed this lie. Why is that? There are still so many smart people in the world who would like to meet. Letter maybe. Because of humans, I'm so eager for the answer I want to see.